Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a case in CS2. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now the first thing you actually need to do is get a case. So in order to see if you already have one, you can click on your inventory here and you can just look through your inventory for a case, or you can just click on containers. However, if you can't see any cases here, you will need to buy one. So in order to buy one, you can head over to the store up here, and then if you click on market at the top here, we can see all the cases that we can actually buy. So you first need to buy one by clicking view and market on any of them, and then from here we can just delete this collection tag, and then if you type in case, we will be able to see all the cases that are available to buy. So we can choose any of these that you want, and then once we have bought it, we will see it in our inventory, and then from there we'll need to buy a key to open the case. And then once you've done that, you would have successfully opened a case in CS2. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.